Hey there, awesome people! Welcome back to our little corner of self-discovery and positivity. Today, we're diving into a topic that many have asked about: how to be the hottest version of yourself, unleashing your inner charisma. No, we're not talking about superficial hotness. We're talking about the kind that radiates confidence, authenticity, and an irresistible energy. If you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and turn up the heat in your own unique way, let's jump right in. Defining the hot factor. Let's kick things off by redefining what it means to be a hot guy. It's not about conforming to societal standards. It's about embracing the qualities that make you uniquely magnetic. We're going to explore the essence of true attractiveness and how it goes beyond just appearances. Confidence that sizzles. Confidence is our main ingredient in this hot guy recipe. Imagine exuding a quiet, unshakable confidence that draws people in. We'll uncover the secrets to building genuine self-confidence. It's not about being perfect, but about being perfectly comfortable with who you are. Authenticity, your secret spice. Now, let's sprinkle in some authenticity. Being hot is about being authentically you. We'll explore how embracing your quirks, passions, and true self can turn up the heat in your life. It's not about fitting a mold. It's about breaking free and embracing your uniqueness. Positive vibes amplified. Ready for some positivity infusion? Positivity is the fire that keeps things hot. We'll delve into the transformative power of a positive mindset and how it can make you glow from the inside out. Get ready to radiate good vibes and become a beacon of positivity. Grooming, your style signature. Let's talk about grooming and style your personal style signature. It's not about following trends blindly, but about expressing yourself. We'll navigate the world of grooming, wardrobe choices, and style that feels authentic to you. Spoiler alert, the hottest version of you is the one that feels true. Knowledge is attractive. Intelligence is undeniably attractive. We're going to explore the allure of being a lifelong learner, curious, passionate, and open to new ideas. Intelligence is about the joy of discovery and constantly evolving. Get ready to turn on the intellectual charm. Kindness, the heart of hot. Now, let's add a dash of kindness. True hotness comes from a kind heart. We'll explore the art of being kind, empathetic, and making a positive impact on the world around you. Because a kind soul is undeniably attractive. Setting your unique goals. No hot guy journey is complete without setting goals that align with your passions. We'll craft a personalized strategy for setting and achieving goals that not only make you successful but also add fuel to your hotness factor. Closing. And there you have it, a glimpse into our exploration of becoming the hottest version of yourself. If you're ready to turn up the heat in your life, hit that like button, subscribe for more transformative content, and let's build a community of sizzling individuals. Share your thoughts, experiences, and goals in the comments below. This is a space for growth and connection. Until our next fiery adventure, stay incredible, stay hot, and keep rocking your unique hot guy vibe.